going to say something like, "Hey guys, George and I are going to go." Dude, you're cutting out my face, man.
Oh my god.
You're cutting out my face. What? Right, so, hey guys, George and I are going to go see if we can find some killer whales. I hope you're getting my good side, mister. And fingers crossed we find them. Yeah?
Yeah.
Although George is not that bothered, are you? What?
You abducted me from our house.
I did not abduct you. I dragged you out from an Xbox console to come look at killer. You're not even pointing it at my face! It's not at my face!
Because the road is bumpy, Dad.
Excuses. Right, so
No, actually, it is really bumpy.
George and I are going to go out and see if we can find some killer whales. Aren't we, George?
Yes.
George is super excited about it.
No.
So much so that he put his Xbox control down and ran out the door full of enthusiasm and stuff. Didn't you, George?
No, that's...
I hope you're still blooming my face.
Can you turn... if you turn the tables around, then that's correct. I really didn't want to come off my Xbox.
I can't believe you. These new age kids, we can't do anything about them. Anyway, stand by. Let's see how we get on. Fingers crossed we nail them. And I've got my cameraman here as well with me. So let's see what we can do with this. Right, let's go! Right, so we made it to Coningsborough.
So...
George is doing a simultaneous blog. We're double blogging. Trained him well. On the last report, our killer whales were just at Musa, somewhere over there. I'm banking on them coming across into this bay, working the bay, and coming back around. We're at Coningsborough just now. And the thinking is, if we can get out to this headland here, then we can see this bay, and we can see that bay. And it just gives us like double the viewing time. Other really cool thing, hopefully you can hear me on this audio, is if they come into this bay here, there's lots of shallow channels, kelp beds and stuff, so it's relatively easy to predict where they're going to go because their options are limited, which just means from a filming perspective you can better predict their behaviour and try and get yourself in the right position. Things I always think about, I'm going to put a polarising filter on, I think an ND8, might be a bit dark, but the sun is over here, so you really want to have the back of the drone against the sun the whole time. It'll give you the best light. The light beams are basically punching into the water, otherwise it'll get blown out. The dynamic range is just a nightmare and all that kind of stuff. So there's a little tip for you when you're looking at what you're going to film, is look at where the sun is and think about trying to get the back of the drone to the sun, and that way you're pointing with the light rays. That is the plan. So yeah, fingers crossed. I'm really hoping they're going to work all of this stuff in here. That'd be awesome. There's quite a few seals around here as well.
Oh, orca's over there! Orca's over there!
Oh, George is on it. Where, buddy?
Over there, I saw a fin.
Where?
Over there.
Keep your eyes peeled, bud.
Okay.
Your eyes on them, buddy? Oh,
Yep.
nice.
They're around there.
Got them, buddy.
Oh. I hope you guys saw that. Yep, they're here. Oh, yes! Yes!
You want it, Nate?
Yep.
Right, let's see if I can do this. So, we're on the shore. George is over there, and he's filming them, and I'm filming them on the drone as well. And they're just out at that point over there. I'm trying to fly a drone with one hand. And I don't think is it working? I don't know. I don't know. I'll see if I can get back on them.
Hope you guys can see them. They are actually moving really fast. Yep. I'm on their trail. Haha! See him.
Right, height back to the car. They've just gone past us. They didn't come into the bay, which is, but these things happen. So we'll head up north, see if we can get back on them again, and hopefully we catch them in the mood. What do you think, George? George and I are just, I think we're at Aceness. I can't quite mind the name of this beach.
Those aren't the destination, it's on...
That's Bressa, buddy.
Oh.
And where do you think the killer whales are going to come around from?
Over there.
Yeah, probably over there. Now they may well have overshot us. They may well have gone past us already, but...
Yeah, they are really fast.
How fast are they? So fast.
Yeah, they're
Totally fast. Pure dead fast. Okay, so we're back in the car. Killer whales did come through the place that we were sitting at with, didn't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. Was it cool?
Yeah.
Yeah. But the time is now 10 to 11 and we promised the girls that we'd go out in the boat and have a picnic somewhere, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna cut to the next scene. Are you ready for the high five? We're gonna do a high five transition. So you get ready to high five the camera lens and then we'll high five it when we're on the boat. It's gonna look awesome. You ready?
Yeah.
So we're gonna cut, whoa, just wait a minute. So we're gonna cut to the boat now and we're gonna go for a picnic. Right, ready, go.
Yeah. So we're gonna take you to a place that's really cool. Just along the rock. Turn the camera on.
Well, we're gonna tell her we're at the beach now.
Well, we're in the Buffalo Road.
And how did we get here?
We got here using a little boat and...
Ta-da! And we met up with the girls.
Slash, the girls are losers.
That's harsh, they're not losers. That's just how he feels about it sometimes. Right, let's see if we can do this without breaking our necks. Oh, and this is, what is this? The Magic Teely Pool.
This is a really cool place.
It is really cool, and it's snowing as well. It's like 3 degrees with a northerly wind. It's far from tropical.
Isn't it like 3 meters deep?
Yeah, I'd say it's about 2. Oh,
What was
there's
that?
a blowhole there. Sounds like a hippopotamus. There's a blowhole just in the corner there.
More like a rhino farting.
Very mature. Very mature. Pretty though. See him?
It is gold striped.
A grotty bucky.
You want this piece of shell because
So we can focus. Hey, that's mine.
You can keep it, Tommy Josh.
Did you get another one?
I got another one. Just by sitting and stopping.
They're looking for grotty buckies. They're very hard to find.